Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am showing you guys all of my Colorflex Christmas glitter collection. I am so excited about this. It's just really exciting to do a Christmas collection. So yes, hopefully you guys like it. Let's get into the Christmas glitter. This video is not gonna be too long. I only have glitter to show you guys, no micas or anything. So let's get into it. All right, so this being my first collection for Christmas, I was so excited to add all the pops of red and green and some snowy looking situations in there. So first let's talk about how many colors I have. I have 13 colors. My other two collections, the desert and the beach, both have 12. I tried to get it to 12, but I just couldn't. So I have 13 glitters, and then I have one glitter flake color to add because I have two currently. Let's start with my mixes. So I have 6 custom mixes in the glitter in the Christmas collection. So the first one is the most Christmassy. This is a beautiful red chunky mix, but there's like some pops of just kind of iridescent color in there. It's really hard to see, but it's kind of a deeper red, but with pops of that like more orangey iridescent, and it's just gorgeous. This is $12.25, so just literal Christmas glitter. I just thought that was really pretty, just a beautiful chunky mix. Yeah, I was actually making this for the desert collection. I think I was trying to mix up a cool red, and I decided it just looked like Christmas, so I had to have it in the Christmas collection. So yeah, that's $12.25. And these are all swatches in epoxy, if anyone's wondering. That's why they're just so shiny. I just love putting them in epoxy to really show what they look like when they're in epoxy and show the depth. And it's a lot easier to show you guys than holding up loose glitter. So the next mix, I wanted something kind of blue, kind of snowy, just that whole vibe. So this is Baby It's Cold, just a really pretty like icy silvery blue. And this is not a chunky mix, it's got medium and small in there, but it's just really pretty, just that really light icy silvery white blue. So I just thought that was so fun for winter if you're doing something kind of icy and snow like. So that's Baby It's Cold. The next one is, well, I was inspired by all the golds and silvers that people use at Christmas time. It's kind of the time to go all out and do all the different metallic colors. So this is a chunky mix of silver, a very pale gold and silver. This is called Tinsel, and I just think it's so stunning. This is gonna be similar to my White Sands, but just it's got that silver pop in there, whereas White Sands is just the pale gold. I just am in love with this. I think it's gonna be so fun to use this, especially for Christmas. But look how stunning. So this one is Christmas Eve. This is just a very pale silvery pink mix. It's not chunky, it's just got small and medium in there, but I just thought it would be the perfect kind of pink addition to the Christmas collection. I feel like this color is just very Christmassy, but not your typical green and red. So I really wanted to have a really pretty pop of pink in there. So that is Christmas Eve. So then I wanted a little more something like Baby It's Cold, but a little bit more snow-like and a little bit more whimsical. So I did this one. This is Snowbound. This one's a little bit more like gray, white, silver with like a little bit of blue, but there's also pops of iridescent color in there. So it kind of reminds me of like when you're out in the snow and you just see the sunlight hitting the snow and you kind of see these beautiful colors shining through. So that is Snowbound. This is just such a fun one, but I think this one's gonna be really fun. So my last mix for Christmas is Evergreen, and this is a mix of green and teal. It's just like the perfect in-between green and teal and like a little pops of more blue in there. I just thought it was really pretty. It's looking a little more green in camera than it is in real life, but it's a little bit more teal. But I just thought it was a really pretty color to have in a Christmas collection. So now the next 7 colors all come in a small cut, medium cut, or a chunky mix. I don't have the chunky mixes in epoxy. I thought I had them, and then getting everything out after we moved, I realized I didn't do the chunky mixes yet, and I didn't have everything out to make them before this video. So you just get to see the small and medium cut in epoxy right now, but the chunky mix pictures will be on the website, and maybe I'll just add it in this video so you can kind of see. But let's start with the white. I actually do have the chunky mix in the white for some reason, but this is just a perfect white, and this is called Snowy. I feel like you can't really see how sparkly it is in the camera, but it's just a very pretty perfect white that does show up in epoxy because there's a little bit of a pale silver in it as well. So that's just gonna be your perfect white if you want white without the iridescent kind of rainbowy colors in it. So that is Snowy. So my next color is a pink. This is Wish. So this pink is a little bit more of a brighter pink. I'll show you, I'll compare it to Christmas Eve. So here's Christmas Eve. You can see it's a lot more pale and like got that silvery touch. This is Wish. So it's just a really pretty kind of wintry pink if you're wanting a pink. I just thought it was such a beautiful color. Next I have Mistletoe. This is a lighter green. It's more on like the pale side. It's not too bright or anything or too in your face. It's just like a stunning green color. I just thought it would be perfect as a green if you're wanting a lighter green for Christmas. So that is Mistletoe. Then I also have a darker green. This one is Balsam. So if you're wanting a dark green, and I will show you this compared to Evergreen. So you can see they're similar, but Evergreen just has a little bit more teal in there, but they're both very, very pretty. So that is Balsam. Then we have another red. This is Holly, and I just thought it was such a gorgeous red. Like if you need a red for Christmas and you're not wanting a chunky mix, this one is just stunning. So this compared to 1225, both gorgeous. So I couldn't do a Christmas collection without a gold, and this is a more kind of orange yellowy toned gold than any of my other golds. This gold is Holiday. So if you're wanting just that more bright yellow toned gold, this is gonna be a perfect gold. I think this is gonna look amazing either paired with red or black if you're really wanting a gold for Christmas. Then I also wanted to do a black because I don't have a black with Colorflex so far. So this is Silent Night. So it is a black, but it's got like, it almost looks a little bit more of like a blue black. It really just looks black when you're using it with other colors, but it's got like those little pops of kind of like a midnight blue to help it stand out. Because as you know, most blacks in epoxy just disappear. So it does have to have like a base color to it, either gray or blue or like iridescent, something in there added. But I just thought that looked very like really dark nighttime. So that's Silent Night. Then for my addition of glitter flakes, this is Starlight. So far I have Moonlight and Seafoam from my beach collection. So this is gonna be the same glitter flakes, but a different color. So this is Starlight. All right, that is it for my Christmas glitter collection. I hope you guys love this as much as I do. I just think it's such a fun time of year to celebrate and make gifts for friends and family. And just design really amazing things with different glitters. I feel like it's the time of year to be extra and over the top and just, you know what I mean? So I hope you guys love this. That's it for this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.